Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by A&K. In today's video, we're going to talk about various topics all related to bedroom design. We are going to start with upcoming bedroom trends, bedroom ideas for a soothing style, then upcoming bed trends, followed by master bedroom trends. We will then discuss some bedroom styles, and finally we will end this video by discussing some revolutionary bedroom color trends. So, let's get started. Bedroom design is in the midst of an exciting evolution. Bedroom trends epitomize a thrilling fusion of tech-savvy convenience, luxurious comfort, and eco-conscious design, tailored to the ever-changing demands of modern living. Let's dive in to see a vibrating celebration of innovation invigorating body and spirit. The hottest in Vogue embraces an eclectic style mixed with innovation, sustainability, and unbeatable aesthetics. With all that's trendy in bespoke bedroom design, your haven is certainly in for a game-changing transformation. The bespoke bedroom design trends favor nature-inspired themes. Organic textures, biophilic designs, and muted earthy tones are at the forefront. The focus is on creating spaces that provide an oasis of calm and foster a connection to the natural world. This trend responds to the increasing urbanization and the yearning for a touch of wilderness in our daily lives. As a result, trending bedroom styles draw inspiration from forests, oceans, and open skies. The bedroom design embraces a blast from the past, reviving vintage patterns and heritage motifs. There's something undeniably charming and nostalgic about incorporating these timeless designs into your home decor. From bold Art Deco geometric shapes to delicate William Morris florals and intricate paisleys, retro patterns add character and personality to any space. Picture an accent wall adorned with groovy 70s wallpaper or a vintage-inspired quilt at the foot of your bed, bringing a touch of the past into the present. This trend allows you to blend your love for classic aesthetics with modern sensibilities, resulting in a unique and inviting bedroom that truly reflects your style. So don't be surprised if you find yourself sifting through your grandma's old fabric stash or scouring thrift shops for a perfect retro gem. As technology weaves into every interior design trend of the future, trending bedrooms similarly integrate smart living seamlessly. Advanced hidden charging ports, mood lighting, and smart furniture have become staples. These innovative features will enable you to enjoy modern conveniences without compromising on a clean and tranquil ambience. Explore some refreshing bedroom ideas. They share a delightful fusion of comfort, functionality, and timeless elegance. Defying the structured and precise design, bedroom trends see a resurgence of maximalism. Expect bold patterns, eclectic furnishings, and a fearless approach to mixing styles. Now you can embrace a look that reflects your unique personality. That said, keep it to a designer quality by setting a plan for your interior. Pick a style or fusions of style, a color scheme, and a floor plan, pinpointing furniture and decor placement. This way, you can create a mesmerizing space that feels calming and well put together. Master bedroom trends and ideas speak luxury and simplicity. While opulent materials like velvet and silk remain popular, they're presented in neat designs and neutral palettes. In this way, there's a balance in combining luxurious materials' tactile pleasure with minimalist design's visual calm. It's a combo that brings refinement without overwhelming the senses. Embracing the trend of low-hanging bedside pendants is all the rage in the bedroom design. These stylish pendant lights suspended just above your nightstand not only makes a designer statement but also offers practicality and flexibility. They add a touch of modern sophistication, and with a wide variety of designs, you can easily match them to your decor style. Imagine the cozy ambience they create as they cast a warm, ambient glow, perfect for bedtime, reading, or setting the mood. So, if you want to elevate your bedroom's aesthetics while keeping functionality in mind, low-hanging bedside pendants are the way to go. Bedroom ideas redefine sleep with stylish and innovative trends. One of the most notable shifts in the bed trends is the rise of multifunctional beds. With urban living and smaller spaces in mind, beds now offer more than just a place to rest. Incorporating storage solutions, built-in desks, and even transformable designs that cater to both work from home and relaxation needs. In line with all things eco-friendly, bedding trends boast sustainability and ethics. Today's consumers are leaning towards green materials, responsibly sourced linens, and cruelty-free manufacturing methods, emphasizing our shared responsibility for the planet and its inhabitants. From bamboo frames to organic cotton mattresses, the emphasis is on reducing environmental impact without compromising comfort or aesthetics. Plus, these sustainable options often have added benefits like hypoallergenic properties and improved breathability, marrying ecological responsibility with personal well-being. Headboard trends are the canvas for artistic expression in bedrooms. Whether it's intricate woodwork, bold geometric patterns, or unique shapes, headboards become the statement that sets the tone for the entire room. You can inject personality and a distinctive style through an expressive headboard, making the bed the true centerpiece. Elevating your master bedroom's design game means adding a statement chair to the mix. These eye-catching chairs are perfect for infusing your signature style and a designer touch. Whether you opt for a plush velvet accent chair or a sleek mid-century modern piece, it becomes a focal point that adds character to your bedroom. Not only do beautiful chairs serve as a practical spot to read, relax, or simply unwind, but they also bring a dash of uniqueness and charm. So if you're seeking a quick and stylish bedroom upgrade, introducing a statement chair is the way to go. The future of bedroom design hones in on creating a cozy, wellness-focused interior. Today, master bedrooms are all about ambient lighting, going beyond mere functionality to become your room's key element. Imagine lights that sync with your natural circadian rhythms or fixtures emitting a soothing, gentle glow. They'll not only brighten your room but can also improve your sleep and uplift your mood. You can pick any color, brightness, and position to weave a relaxing atmosphere surrounding you in calm and rejuvenation. In response to the evolving needs of homeowners, bedrooms cater to more than just rest. Stylish integrated workstations, reading nooks, and meditation corners are some of the versatile additions, making master bedrooms both practical and cozy for various activities. As work from home continues to be a prevalent aspect of many lives, these designs ensure that your bedroom can be multifaceted space catering to both relaxation and productivity. Cover table bedroom styles are evolving, bringing exciting and innovative aesthetics. From bedding to bed colors, bedroom trends are also soothing, and japandi fits right in. This tranquil bedroom style is becoming ever more comfortable thanks to its rich blend of warm minimalism and organic materials. If the new year could have been a poster for living, it would be fashion-forward japandi. Drawing inspiration from past decades, one of the most prominent bedroom design trends is the retro rerun. From mid-century modern influences to vibrant color palettes reminiscent of the 70s, bedrooms get a delightful blend of the old and new. This return to bygone eras offers a rich tapestry of design elements that evoke nostalgia while seamlessly fitting into modern homes. It's in line with the top bedroom styles, fusing vintage charm and contemporary finesse. It's about creating a space that tells a story of the past and the present. In this way, you can celebrate the best of both worlds, and you can pick what you want to highlight, like combining the craftsmanship and character of antique designs with the sleekness and convenience of modern living, or merging classic patterns with contemporary furniture. Master bedrooms are embracing a spacious, minimalistic approach. While the designs remain uncluttered and serene, they incorporate functional elements that maximize space utility without compromising elegance. The focus is on creating open, breathable environments where each item has its purpose and place. With a rise in smaller living spaces, particularly in cities, this efficient use of space offers a luxurious feel without the clutter. The bedroom color trends promise a captivating array of hues that both enhance your style and resonate deeply with the spirit of the times. Driven by a desire of authenticity and serenity, earthy neutrals like sandy taupe, forest green, and soft terracotta are becoming prominent choices. These shades echo nature, creating spaces that exude warmth and tranquility. Calming tones create a grounding environment that reconnects you with the natural world. Their versatility also means they can be paired effortlessly with the other hues, providing a solid base for diverse interior styles. These tones also work so well with bedroom furniture trends, championing the use of organic materials and eco-furniture. Rattan, bamboo, and other sustainable materials are gaining popularity, with designs emphasizing a connection to nature and a focus on sustainability. This trend reflects a deeper societal shift towards eco-conscious living, where innovation and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. Soft lavenders, gentle blues, and pale greens bring bedrooms a dreamy, ethereal ambience perfect for relaxation and reflection. These understated colors, reminiscent of early morning skies, are excellent for creating open and intimate spaces. Pair a soft scheme with more vibrant pops of coral or yellow to create a dynamic design. While lighter hues dominate, there's an increasing inclination towards integrating dark and moody accent colors. Deep midnight blues, rich red burgundies, and charcoal greys are being used strategically to add depth, sophistication, and a touch of drama to bedroom spaces. When juxtaposed with lighter tones, these accent colors can elevate the overall design, giving it a modern and luxurious feel. Moreover, dark accents let you play with contrasts, creating focal points and adding dimension to your beautiful bedroom. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.